Learn how to quickly and easily make DIY Snowflake Cello bags. You will need Cello bags, ribbon, snowflakes, twist ties, more snowflakes, and a hot glue gun. Make 2 loops with your ribbon. And trim the ends to matching lengths. Pinch the center of the bow. Wrap a twist tie around and twist. These ends are going to wrap around the cello bag. Fluff the bow and adjust the loops. Hot glue mini snowflakes to the bow. I love these mini snowflakes. I like to make them drape down the bow so it looks like it's snowing. Hot glue the large snowflake to the center of the bow. And hot glue a clear rhinestone to the center to make it look icy. This is so pretty, I love this. Adjust everything and make sure it's secure. Trim the tails to matching lengths. I like to cut them into a V shape. I like to curl the ends of the ribbon around my fingers. Adjust the ribbon. You can also add another twist tie to make it longer. This is beautiful, I love this. It looks really good with a snowflake cello bag. This is a great way to give baked goods or treats as a gift. And they can be made ahead of time. Thank you so much for watching. Till next time, bye!